Mohali Real Estate Mastery. Mathematical and legal terms every buyer must know. Investing in Mohali real estate? Understanding mathematical calculations and registry terms is crucial for smart property decisions. Let's decode everything from basic measurements to complex valuation methods. Let's decode everything from basic measurements to complex valuation methods. In Mohali and Punjab, we use both traditional and modern measurement units. Traditional Punjab units include 1 karam equals 5.5 feet, 1 marla is 272.25 square feet or 30.25 square yards. 1 canal equals 20 marla or 605 square yards, and 1 acre is 8 canal, 160 marla or 4,840 square yards. Finally, 1 bigha is equivalent to 4 canal or 2,420 square yards. Buying a 5 marla plot in Mohali translates to 5 multiplied by 272.25, resulting in 1,361.25 square feet. For farmland investments around Mohali, know these specific terms. Biswa is 0.0125 acre or 1,089 square feet. 1 bigha equals 4 canal or 20 biswa. Killa is 1 acre in Punjab, and Murabba represents 25 killa, which is 25 acres, indicating large agricultural holdings. Converting 50 biswa agricultural land means multiplying 50 by 0.0125, which gives you 0.625 acres. When buying apartments in Mohali, understand these critical area types. Carpet area, defined by RERA, is the net usable floor area within walls, excluding wall thickness. It typically ranges from 70 to 80% of the super built-up area. Built-up area includes carpet area plus wall thickness, balcony, and exclusive terrace, usually 10 to 15% more than carpet area. Super built-up area adds proportionate common areas like lobbies, lifts, and stairs, typically 20 to 30% more than built-up area. For a 3 BHK apartment in Mohali, if the super built-up area is 1,800 square feet, the built-up area would be 1,350 square feet. The actual usable carpet area would then be 1,147 square feet. Every Mohali property transaction involves these mandatory processes. The registration process includes registry or registration, the legal ownership transfer document. Mutation or intikal updates land records with new owner details, while Jamabandi is the official land ownership record. Khatoni is the individual landowner's account record. Financial calculations involve the circle rate or collector rate, the minimum government set property value. Stamp duty is 7% for men and 6% for women in Punjab, and the registration fee is 1% of the property value. For a 1 crore property, stamp duty for a male buyer would be 7 lakh rupees and the registration fee would be 1 lakh rupees. This results in a total registry cost of 8 lakh rupees. FAR or floor area ratio, also known as FSI, determines how much you can construct on your Mohali plot. Punjab FAR rules specify 1.65 for residential plots and unlimited FAR for group housing with payment. Commercial buildings have ground coverage up to 45%, while industrial properties have unlimited FAR with 65% ground coverage. For a 300 square yard residential plot, the maximum construction potential is 4,455 square feet. Professional property valuation uses these approaches. The income approach, for investment properties, uses direct capitalization where value equals net operating income divided by the cap rate. The discounted cash flow, or DCF method, calculates the present value of future cash flows. For a commercial property with 10 lakh rupees annual rental income and an 8% cap rate, the property value would be 12.5 crore rupees. The comparable sales approach is based on recent sales of similar properties in the area. The cost approach considers land value plus construction cost minus depreciation. Annual property tax in Mohali is calculated as assessed value multiplied by the tax rate. Assessed value is usually 70 to 80% of market value, and the tax rate varies by municipal corporation, typically 0.5 to 2% annually. GMADA building rules specify ground coverage and building norms. For residential properties, there's 50% ground coverage for group housing, and commercial properties have 45% ground coverage. Industrial properties allow 65% ground coverage, and setbacks are mandatory distances from plot boundaries. Here are some quick reference conversion formulas. For area conversions, 1 acre equals 43,560 square feet or 4,840 square yards. 1 hectare is 2.471 acres or 10,000 square meters, and 1 square yard is 9 square feet. Punjab-specific conversions include 1 canal as 20 marla or 605 square yards, and 1 marla as 272.25 square feet or 30.25 square yards. Let's look at some Mohali-specific terms you'll encounter. Saz Nagar is the official name for Mohali in all government documents, and GMADA is the Greater Mohali Area Development Authority. Sectors are planned development areas like Sector 82, 85, and 88. PUDA rules are Punjab Urban Planning and Development Authority regulations. NOC stands for No Objection Certificate from relevant authorities. Now, let's review some practical calculation examples. For a flat purchase, buying a 1,200 square feet super built-up apartment in Sector 88 means the actual usable area is 900 square feet. If the rate is 8,000 rupees per square foot, the total cost would be 96 lakh rupees, with registry charges amounting to 7.68 lakh rupees. For a plot investment, a 5 marla plot in New Chandigarh has an area of 1,361 square feet. With an FAR of 1.65, the construction potential is 2,246 square feet, and ground coverage at 50% means the ground floor maximum is 680 square feet. These calculations and terms form the foundation of smart real estate decisions in Mohali. Whether you're buying agricultural land, residential plots, or luxury apartments, understanding these concepts will save you money and prevent legal issues. Always verify current rates and rules with GMADA before finalizing any transaction. Subscribe for more Mohali real estate insights. From Marlas to Millions, your Mohali real estate guide.